Public beta testers can download the macOS 12 Monterey update from the Software Update section of the System Preferences app after installing the proper profile from Apple's beta software website. macOS Monterey introduces quite a few major updates for the macOS operating system. Universal control, for example, lets a single mouse, trackpad, and keyboard be used across multiple Mac or iPad devices, and it's now possible to AirPlay directly to a Mac from an iPhone, iPad, or even another Mac. Safari has an updated tab bar and support for tab groups to keep tons of tabs organized, and FaceTime now features support for spatial audio, portrait mode, and one Max only, and voice isolation for cutting out background noise. A SharePlay FaceTime feature lets Apple TV users watch TV, listen to music, and share their screens with one another. Shared with You, another new feature, keeps track of the music, links, podcasts, news, and photos that people are sent in messages, highlighting it in the relevant apps. Notes has a new quick note feature for jotting down thoughts, and the Shortcuts app is now available on the Mac. A dedicated focus mode helps people stay on task by cutting out background distractions based on what's going on, and there's an updated Maps app with a whole slew of new features. With live text, Macs can now detect text in photos or provide details on animals, art, landmarks, plants, and more in images. Mail privacy protection hides IP and prevents tracking through invisible pixels, and iCloud Private Relay keeps Safari browsing protected. There are many other new features in macOS Monterey, with a complete overview available in our macOS Monterey Roundup.